Hello, scholars, and welcome to Writing. This is Miss Brennan, and we're going to do something interesting for both Monday and Wednesday. So on Monday, I want you guys to practice writing a fact, and then on Wednesday, you are going to practice writing an opinion. So we've been doing a lot of fantastic work writing opinions this entire month, but now we're going to practice writing facts. So for Monday, I want you to write a fact. Now, you might be wondering, what is a fact? Remember, a fact is something that is true. It can be proven. For example, we know lots of facts about animals, right? We know that certain animals are very strong. We know that certain animals maybe only eat fish, or certain animals only eat bugs, or certain animals eat other animals. Those are facts. They can be proven. We know that bees live in a beehive. Those are all facts. Those are things that you can prove. Now, we're going to practice writing a fact today, and you can write any fact that you want, but don't forget, we need to make sure to draw our picture, include our labels, and make sure we have our spaces in between our words. So don't forget all those great things that you've learned when you've been practicing your writing skills. So let's go ahead and get started. I know I need to think about the fact that I want to write about. So for my fact, I think I want to write about ants. And one thing that I have learned about ants is they're very, very strong and they're very smart. So that's not an opinion, that is a fact. They have big brains and they can carry 3 times their weight. It's kind of like if you noticed a human being carrying a car. That's how strong ants are. So that's going to be my fact, that ants are very strong and they're very smart. So that's not an opinion, that's a fact, that is proven. So first, I need to make sure to draw my picture showing how strong ants are. So I'm going to get ready, and I'm going to make these ants look a little bit bigger in the picture. So I'm going to draw an ant and his head or her head. Some ants are female, some ants are males. And we know that they have 6 legs. And we know, of course, they have their antennae in the front. So I'm going to make sure to draw where they are walking. So we normally see ants in many different places, on the grass, sometimes on the dirt. And I'm going to draw this ant carrying a big leaf. So ants can carry leaves. That's how we know that they're super duper strong. They can carry really, really big leaves. And we know that they're very smart because they remember where their anthill is located, and they walk in a straight line sometimes. And they talk to each other in a very special way. So ants are very, very cool insects. And they're very, very strong. So I'm going to draw an even bigger leaf because ants can actually carry really, really big leaves. That's how strong they are. So I'm going to draw the entrance to their anthill because they're very smart and they remember where to go. So all the ants remember exactly where to go. That's how smart they are. Okay, so now I want to make sure that I include my labels. So looking at my picture, I've drawn a couple of different things. I drew the grass and I drew the ants. So I want to make sure that I put ants because I drew them and there's more than one. And then I can put next to the grass, the word grass. So I can stretch that word out. Grass, I hear that A, grass. So I wrote the word grass, and this is their ant hill. I know how to spell ant, and then hill, hill, hill. So ant hill. So the grass, the ants, and the ant hill. Now it's time for me to start writing. Now I want to write my fact. Remember, a fact is something that you can prove. It is true. So my fact is that ants are strong and smart. That is a fact. So I'm going to get ready to write. And I remember my meatball space and my capital letters. So ants, that A has to be capitalized. Ants. Remember meatball space R. So I remember R, that's a sight word. R. Ants are strong. Hear that ST blend. Strong. I hear that R. Strong. I hear that N. Strong. Ants are strong. And I remember and is a sight word, so I can spell that. Ants are strong and smart. So again, if you can't fit something on the next line, go over to the next one. Smart. We'll hear that blend. Art. Smart. So ants are strong and smart. That is my fact. And I don't want to forget my big fat period at the end of my sentence. So let's read it again. Ants are strong and smart. That is my fact. So for Monday, I want you to write a fact. Remember, find a fact, something that is true that can be proven. And you can write a fact about anything. You can write a fact about people, buildings, the city of Chicago. We've been learning facts about Chicago. You can write facts about your favorite animal. You can write facts about lots of different things. What is a cool fact that you know? And remember, on Wednesday, we're going to practice writing an opinion. So I cannot wait to read your awesome, awesome work. All right, have fun writing your fact and drawing your pictures. Bye for now.